All right, man. Let's do it. I'm just gonna go over here. I'm gonna beach it. I'm gonna get out and beach it. I'm gonna work my tube in that little divot area there. But up in there, man, there's some good smallie. I just want to fish this real quick because I got to get my anchor out anyhow. That's cool. Oh, there we go. There we go. Ah. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Look at that, dude. It was a small smallie. My freaking line wrapped around the keeper. And I was like trying to reel, and then, so I just lost him. That's where I got mine, right just past that. Wasn't a huge one, but it would have been cool to get. You got one? Even the little guys fight good, man.
It's a good size one right here.
Is it? Nice.
He didn't want to get caught.
Oh, that's a nice one, man. Oh, that's a really nice one. Dude, that's a... Oh, dude. That was a nice smallie, man.
It was.
That's a nice one, man. That's a really nice one. Dude, that's a...
Dude. Should have brought your net.
I know. I should have brought the net. I should have fucking lipped him.
You should have lipped him.
That was a nice fish.
Or grabbed him real. He was a nice one, man. That was a really nice one. There we go. Oh, we got it. Ah! We got to do a shout out to Kevin O'Brien.
This is for you.
This is for you, buddy.
Kevin O'Brien.
OB.
OB.
Yeah, baby.
K-O-B.
K-O-B. Buddy. Sir.
Lieutenant.
Lieutenant. All right, let's go upriver, man, and catch some smallies, dude. Come on. There we go. Stuck you this time, buddy. Lost 2 fish before this. Holy moly. This rock bass is huge. Wow. That is a chunky rock bass right there. That is a chunky rock bass. All right, first fish of the day, man. So no skunk for me. Maddie's already caught, I think, 1 smallie. And we've both have lost a couple. Maddie lost a really nice one. I think it was an 18-inch plus. All right. First fish. Chunky rock bass. There we go. And then probably another rock bass. Feels like a rock bass. Yeah, it's a rock bass. It's a rock bass. Well, at least we're getting something, I guess, but I really want to get into some smallies. Really want to get into some smallies. All right. There we go. Come on, smallie. Be a smallie. Be a smallie. Feels like it's a smallie, but it's fighting like a smallie. Come on, baby. I probably should net you. Come here. There we go. It's a smallie. There we go. Nice. Got him in the boat. There we go, first smallie, small guy, man. He fought like he was a 5 pounder. Okay, smallie number 1. Third fish. A couple rock bass and a smallmouth. Beautiful looking smallie though, man. Look how chunky it is for his size. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna fish this little pool up here. And then I'm gonna head back downriver. There we go. Got one. Rock bass. I'll take them. Man, another chunky one. There he goes. Cool. It's hard to get into it initially because it pushes you, it wants to push you out, you know. All right, man, back to fishing. There we go. Oh, this might be a smallie. Oh, this is a nice smallie too. Oh no, I just caught a sheep's head, I think. Again, for my second time in 20 years. Oh, he just broke me. It was I think I'm pretty sure it was a sheep's head. I got a pretty good look at him. He broke my line. I had this drag set too tight, man. Should have loosened up the drag as soon as I saw him on there. There we go. Freaking rock bass again. Oh, holy moly. Those rock bass are huge. There we go. Look at the size of that rock bass. Yeah, baby. Nice, buddy. Nice.
Fish?
Yeah, that's a nice fish, man. Smallies.
Take them, really.
You can't, dude. Yeah. Well, you could give them back, though. You don't have to keep them.
This one's for you, KOB.
Yeah, KOB! Matt's been crushing it today. Crushing it. I can't catch anything. A couple smallies, some rock bass. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Okay, I'm not having any luck here, so I'm going to put on the old mule jig with little micro swim bait. And just see if I can't catch something, man. Something, anything. Would be cool right now, so stand by. Look at that, got a perch. Woohoo! Got a perch on the micro mule jig, or the micro swim bait on the mule jig. Hi, man!
Where's all the fish?
Nope.
Got an idea.
There's lots of perch, dude. They're all freaking tearing the shit out of this. Yeah, I've already caught 2. I can't keep. Yeah. Look at them coming out.
Look at you crushing it.
Yeah. Look at. Can't even keep them off, man. Come here, dude. Now I've got lunch. It's good eating right there. I mean, these are.
Game plan?
Yes.
This is very important.
I'm ready, man. Send it. What do you got?
Let's paddle our boats
Uh-huh.
over to where there's fish, and then we'll catch them.
That sounds risky, man.
I don't know.
I mean, we're fishing, but we don't really want to catch all the fish.
But you want to catch your other rod.
Yes. I mean, it looks good on paper, man, like communism, but oh, that's a big perch right there. Oh yeah, there we go. Not huge, but that's a decent sized perch. That's a keeper. Ah! Oh, he's in my shoe, Matt.
Careful, careful.
And he stabbed me. Man, he's completely in my shoe right now.
Well, at least he's not going to flop out of your boat.
Now my feet are going to smell like fish. There we go. Not a huge perch, but a nice perch. There you go, buddy. There we go. Rock bass, baby. Yeah. Rock bass, baby. Rock bass, baby, baby. Rock bass, baby. Rock bass, baby, rock. Another rocky. Oh no, this is a smallie. Oh, this is a small. What's that? Yeah, I got a smallmouth. Small guy. Oh. Come here, buddy. Come here. There we go. There you go, little buddy. Another smallie. But guess what? I will take it. Yeah. God, they're beautiful fish, man. I just love the colors.
Doubled up, buddy.
Oh, yeah. What'd you get, a rock? There we go, finally. I don't know what it is. Might be a rock bass. It might be a smallmouth. I think it's a smallmouth. A small one. I had a crappy hook set on him. And I just lost him. It was a smallmouth. It was a smallmouth. There we go. There we go. Okay. This is a nice one. This is a nice one. Don't lose them. Don't lose them. I don't have that good of a hook set on them. I don't have good of a hook set on them. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, yeah, come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go, yes. Oh, you son of a gun. Holy cow, you're not even that huge, but you fought like crazy, man. Finally, a decent smallie, man. Look at those stripes on him, man. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's my third smallie. The other two were dinks. I just lost one just before him. And finally I got a decent one. He's not a huge one, probably a 14, 15 incher, but fought like crazy, man. Look at those stripes. Beautiful fish. Alright, let's let him go. Let's let him go. There you go, buddy. There he goes. Finally, a decent smallmouth. Doing the outro, Maddie. What do you got, buddy?
Well, we got a whole bunch of
you did well today.
rock bass. We did well today.
Yeah, you did well. I didn't do so well.
Bunch of rock bass.
Yeah.
Probably about 1 million of them.
Yeah, probably 1.5 million, I'd say.
Give or take a few.
Yeah, a few 100,000.
Couple smallies, couple decent smallies.
Yeah.
A bunch of lost smallies.
Yeah, some nice lost smallies. You
Both
lost.
had some lost smallies.
I've got the footage, man, so I'll see, but I think yours was at least an 18 incher. Right around an 18 incher. It was a nice smallie.
Yep. And a couple largemouth, actually decent size.
Yeah, I didn't get any largies. I got 3 smallies, 2 dinks, and one was decent, 14, 15 inches.
Yep.
I lost another dink, got some rock bass, lost the sheephead, broke my line. My drag was set too tight and snapped my line, man. I would have liked to have landed that. And I lost a nice smallie. Came off when we first got out here.
But all in all, I think we had a good day. It was fun. It was great weather. And
yeah, it was nice to fish the river. Yeah, we got some current.
Yep.
We'll mix everything. Maddie's, this is your second time? No, you've been out, what, 3, 4 times? You've been out a couple times on your own, right? Yeah. Maddie's new boat, the Slayer, propelled 12.5 max. Yeah.
Get some.
Get some.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.